Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add a photo to your notes on the Google Keep application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Now tap on the plus icon if you would like to create a new document, or you can also choose an already existing one from this list of notes if you would like to add a photo to one of your notes that you have already created. All you have to do is clicking on this plus icon down below, which is the first option. Tap on it, and then you have two options. You can either take a photo right away with your phone now, or you can choose an image from your gallery, from your pictures. So if you want to take a photo, just tap on this take a photo button. Then you need to allow Google Keep to access your camera by tapping on the OK button. Now you should take a photo with your phone, and then tap on Use Photo in the right corner down below. So as you can see, you have added this picture. You can delete it if you feel like to do so by tapping on it and clicking on this icon in the upper right corner of the screen. You can tap the button Delete if you would like to delete it, then press the button Delete. But you can also draw onto it or paint onto it by tapping on this icon at the top. And here you can see that you can choose from a vast variety of tools that you can draw with, and then the colors and the size of your pen. If you are done with your drawing, just simply tap on this button in the left side corner of the screen, and then your photo has been updated and added to your notes. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.